Hi, so if you keep getting this error on VirtualBox, I'm here to help you fix it. This error usually happens because VirtualBox gets confused by an existing or corrupted file configuration. So let's fix this step by step. Let's go. So first click on next, then next again. Click browse. Here's the important part. Make sure you rename the file. If you keep the old file, VirtualBox may conflict with the previous configuration and error can happen again. After renaming it, click OK and continue with the setup. Okay, so after that, finish. Then run VirtualBox. Let's click start to see if it's working now. As you can see, it's running. Let's wait for the machine to load. Perfect.